In this video, I am going to show you how to export your survey submissions. First of all, from the left corner of the dashboard, go to the Submissions tab, choose your desired survey and click on it. Now we can see the results of your survey. From here, click on the Export Submissions button and you will see the following window. Now you can choose the submissions of specific users, select the date between which they filled the survey. Moreover, you have the option to choose between CSV and XSLSX files, which format is more convenient for you, and then click on it. Now we can see that your file has already been downloaded. And this is how the survey submissions report looks like when we export it. First of all, we get the user and then we get the questions and the answers following it.